Oh, here we go. It's time. Yeah. It's time. Yeah. Oh, there's a speeding car. So let's just go ahead and turn in that lane. Yeah. And then let's drive slow on top of it. Because, you know, once again, it's all about you, right? All right. I'm back. Just left the undisclosed area in which I work. And, yeah, here we go. So just like I said, I was thinking there's going to be a lot of traffic, and I mean, it's a Friday too, right? So a lot of people head north. But it's apparently opposite world today, so it's actually kind of open, which is a first. So guess what? I get to fucking send it a little bit, right? Oh yeah. Damn, that exhaust sounds good. Gotta have the intake though. Gotta have the intake. It just makes everything better. Oh, here we go. It's time. Yeah. It's time. Yeah. Oh, there's a speeding car. So let's just go ahead and turn in that lane. Yeah. And then let's drive slow on top of it. Because, you know, once again, it's all about you, right? Fucking pricks. You know, the worst part is you're stuck behind them, right? And you can't do shit about it. So. I guess I spoke too soon. Most definitely spoke too soon. If you guys are wondering what the spots are on my windshield, yeah, apparently that's sap, and that is all over my truck. So that's going to be really fun to take off. I can't wait. I have it on my car too, and like, man, I took the power washer to that, and just literally nothing happened. I mean, the paint would probably come off first before that did. I wonder what would happen if you put sap all over your car. Like a super clear coat that's sticky. Yeah, it's probably not a good idea. Scratch that. Oh, here we go. See? One left lane closed. Super. Fucking super. You know, that really sucks. I actually was excited there, because usually when I get on the highway there, when we first got there, it was you know, it was wide open. I was like, all right, let's send it, you know, and send it into this. Oh fuck! Hooray for miracles! All right, you stay there. Get in the ultra slow lane. So usually I can cut right across here. Let's see what happens. Anybody rushing up? I don't want to be that fucking guy. See, look at this. Yeah. Oh baby, scream. We're gonna do a complete stop again? Nope. Look at that. Look at that. Sick. Yeah, well, you know what? I'm happy I'm not in that shit over there. off to the side. I mean, I pretty well was before, but yeah, you know what? I'm not going to complain. This traffic actually isn't that bad. It's just a little, whole bunch of congestion for probably some asshole up at the front that decided to slam his brakes on, cause a chain reaction, and boom, traffic. Or traffic patch, whatever you want to call it. Either way, shit. Okay, let's just go ahead and slam everybody slam their brakes on. Yep. Just slam them. Oh, that. Never even noticed that. That's hilarious. Oh, good. You're turning too. Perfect. Alright, well then I guess I'll just migrate back into this shit. Pick your shit. Pick your shit pile. Okay, here we go. Across 20 lanes. See, this is how the other highway should be. This many lanes. Nice and wide. No problemo. Oop. You know what? This guy's actually ripping a little faster than me. I don't want to be a dick. Go ahead. You want to drive faster than me? You go ahead. Go right the hell ahead. This way you get the ticket. Oh, you're from Quebec. My God. Oh yeah. Alright, that was Mrs. SRT8 Boost calling me. See where I am. To explain to her that I'm in what was moving nicely to this shit ass. Hope you guys can see okay. Yeah, anyway, I think I was saying before, we had a place in Florida way back when there, and yeah, I just found some, like some of the people from Quebec. My God, I don't understand. They were like, they did not drive very good. Let's put it that way. So, and people from Ontario got a bad rap because of rep. I don't know, something like that. Anyways, because of Quebec people, because the way they drive. And I'm like, you know. Are you from Quebec? And I'm like, no, I'm from Ontario, man. And so, like, oh, okay, all right, cool, okay. All of a sudden, like, you know, you're in their good books just because, for some weird ass reason. I don't know. I just found that to be funny. Anyway, okay, you know what? I will pick you guys back up when this is hopefully cleared up. Okay, let's give it a few. I will be back. Okay, it looks like it cleared up a little faster than I thought it would. Okay, hopefully there's a cop waiting around the corner here. Because it would be a Friday when that went up. Like, whoops, you know, didn't see it. Ah, motherfucker. Okay, let's see what happens here. All right. Are we gonna stay on the highway or are we just gonna get off? You know what? Like I said, pick your shit pile, right? Let's just get off. Should we pass everybody? Yes, we should. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, look at this fucking pile up here. Which way is that going? Not my way. Oh, look, here we go. Yeah. Jesus, buddy, you might as well drive in reverse. Oh my god. Drive much? Maybe if you go a little slower, we'll miss the light. Clearly, that's what you want. So, oh, you're gonna come to a complete stop at a green too? Okay, there you go. Wow, oh, look at that. Nice bike. Graffiti wrap. That's different. Never seen that. Never seen that before. Bounce. Oh, good. We get to get stuck behind somebody that's driving 10 under the speed limit. And his wonderful partner that's directly beside me here, also driving 10 under the speed limit. Because why not? Why wouldn't they be driving 10 under the speed limit? Oh, let's brake a little more. We only have a football field in front of us. Got to be safe and, you know, have lots of braking distance. You know, maybe just in case a plane decides to park in front of you. Oh my, like really? Oh, good, okay. Yeah, there you go. Get the fuck out of the goddamn way, please. Yeah, welcome to Canada. Alright, cool. Okay, well, fuck it. At least I'm not stuck behind that shit. Probably take 15 minutes to fucking take the turn here. Oh, it's green. Oh, better just be cautious. Be cautious. You know, just don't drive. Don't drive. You know, even though it's green, fuck everybody, because, you know, it's all about me, right? Is what he would say, or she, whatever. Blah blah blah. Guy looks like he forgot where he's going. Oh, he's just gonna cut right in. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That was one of the cars that I was saying that was driving extra slow. Nice Charlie. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a good group right here. This is gonna be gotta obey that law. Yeah, let's obey it. Let's just, in fact, let's just drive 1 under the limit. Because, you know, I'm just being that much better. My God. Yeah, enjoy life much? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. You know, why am I even letting you in? Why? Anyway. So, I'm going to cut this one right around here. And, yeah, maybe I'll take you guys to work next time, too. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And we will see you next time. All right, take care. Brush your hair.